Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I'm going to mention the various things that you should keep in your mind before consuming nuts. Nuts are being consumed by almost in all parts of the world. So as we see, nut is like a staple food, but for almost a whole world. So it becomes very important that we should know what is the proper way of consuming nuts. So what are the things that we need to keep in our mind before consuming nuts? First thing, from where we should buy nuts. Make sure wherever you are buying nuts, these nuts should be of organic origin. If these nuts will be of organic origin, it will contain much more nutrients and much more ingredients which are very beneficial for the health of your body and for the health of your mind. And it becomes also very important that whenever you buy nuts, try to buy it fresh. The nut should not be very old, because if it is very old, it will start losing its nutritious value. So it becomes extremely important, like even if you are buying organic nuts, but it should be from the fresh season, there should be season of that thing, then it would be more beneficial for your health. Nuts are extremely important part of a vegetarian diet, those people who don't consume meat. So for them, nuts is a very important part to provide all the fats that are needed for the body, because all these fats are in the form of natural fat which are not bad for the body if you are eating it in a proper amounts, and it would be extremely beneficial for your health. As we know, nuts supply various kind of fibers, various kind of minerals, various kind of vitamins, in addition to various kind of beneficial phytochemicals which are extremely essential for your health. In addition to that, there are various nuts which also contain antioxidants which are very beneficial for your immunity. For example, almonds, walnut, and also some cashews and pista. It is very beneficial for the health. But at the same time, there is one more good thing about the almonds and walnuts, like they contain less cholesterol. So these becomes extremely beneficial. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about nuts, because as we know, modern medicine and Western medicine, they also support the consumption of nuts. They also says nuts are very beneficial for your food, for your diet. So, but Ayurveda has little bit different aspect about nuts, like how to consume nuts. Whatever nut you are consuming, it becomes extremely important that according to Ayurveda, if you want to consume nuts, these nuts should be soaked overnight before consuming. In Ayurveda, definitely they recommend not to overuse nuts. And if you are eating nuts, the best time to eat nuts is in the morning. That is the best time to eat nuts. But if you are eating nuts in the morning, it is very important that you soak those nuts overnight, and in the morning remove the outside peel and then eat it. So actual procedure is, you just take a nut, break it, like you need to remove the hard shell. After that, the soft part, the white part, or whatever nut like almond or walnut you have, that nut you need to soak overnight and then remove the peel in the morning and then consume it. This way it becomes easy to digest, and it comes in a form that body can accept it in a more better way. Usually it has been said in Ayurveda that nuts are not so easy to digest. That's why Ayurveda recommend not to use nuts in excess. Whenever you are using almonds or almonds, for example, you should not use more than 10 or 11 almonds for a healthy person. These are also too much. Like if you want to gain weight, then you can use these much almonds. You soak it and then use it. But if you are just want to maintain your weight, you don't want to gain weight, there is a simple counting of 3, 5, 7. You just start with 3 nuts, 3 almonds, then soak it, and in the morning when you remove its peel, you just chew it properly in your mouth. Take some time, don't just engulf it, just chew it properly in the mouth, so that these nuts will mix in your saliva, and it becomes highly nutritious for you, because as we know, our saliva also contains enzymes which makes our food more in a digestible form. So this is also very important thing. In addition to that, for example, if you are using soaked walnuts or walnuts, you are or walnuts you want to have. So these walnuts also should not be very excess in number, because if you eat walnut in excess, it becomes a little difficult to digest. 2 walnuts for a healthy person to take during the day or in the morning, it would be more than enough. I know, like those who are taking big bowls of nuts, they must be thinking, oh, the quantity of the nuts should be less. Yes, according to Ayurveda, if you want to eat, there should not be excess quantity of nuts in your food, because they lower down your digestive fire. As we know, they all are kapha enhancing. So it becomes extremely important. Then when you are eating nuts, you please try to keep the quantity of nuts low. Also, like I mentioned, these nuts are all kapha enhancing, and if you want to lose weight, you can stop using nuts, because nuts are very beneficial in gaining weight. But in this contest of gaining weight, if you start using a lot of nuts, but if your digestive fire is not enough, then definitely it will not be so beneficial. It will not gain weight, you will not gain weight, rather it will disturb your digestive fire. So whenever you are using nuts, try to limit the quantity of nuts that you are going to use. In addition to that, if you are eating nuts during the night time, like in dinner, if you are eating bowl of nuts, please don't do that, because at night if you are eating nuts, it becomes very difficult for the body to digest, because during night we are going to sleep. We don't need that much energy. So the best time to eat nuts is in the morning. So if you are eating nuts at the night, you must be feeling like it is heavy digestion or digestion is disturbed. This mostly happens because you are consuming nuts at night. If you are eating nuts according to Ayurveda, try to soak them properly and eat during the day. Don't do these things like you just skip dinner and in place of dinner you just take a fist of nuts and you just eating that. That would in this way it will not yield health, rather than it will increase unnecessary fat in your system. That is not beneficial for your health. So we will create one more video about nuts, but I hope you will like this video. These are the few tips and tricks that are mentioned in Ayurveda, which will be helpful to make your health better. I hope you will like it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. And also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription. You can click that join button. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. And also, if you like my video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye. Take care.